Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of January 6th through the 12th. I'll be using this kit from Sara Marie Stickers. It's $2.19. So I do have the sampler, the full boxes, and then this functional sheet, and I have already used this in my monthly planner. So I figured if I needed the extra labels, I could go ahead and use that. But we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. So we'll start with the bottom washi here. It's so cute. It's like little hot chocolate. Hasn't quite snowed this year. This week coming up is supposed to be pretty cold, so I see some snow in our future. And same with last week. I'm just going to go all the way to the end. Let me get my ruler here. Do the other side. Last week was pretty busy with the kids, so my daughter ended up having some kind of reaction. She decided to get a rash all over her body on New Year's, so of course we couldn't take her to a doctor. But we woke up and then they just faded and faded and faded, and now she's fine. She got some bath bombs for Christmas, so I'm wondering if that kind of messed with her skin. She does have sensitive skin, but usually she's been fine. Alright, so this week I don't have any date headers. I didn't order that for this kit, so I am going to just take some of this washi here. And I'm going to cover up the dates, and then I'm just going to do my own headers in this blank space. I think that will be okay. Oops. Let's do this straight, if possible. What else happened this week? Not really too much. Just went to work. Same old, same old. Got to work on New Year's. It's got to be the most boring holiday to work because nothing happens. Like when I worked on Christmas, there was, people and all kinds of stuff to do, and for New Year's it was just kind of another day. Alright, let's put this here. I still think I'm getting sick. My nose won't stop running, so that's fun. Hasn't came yet, but it's fine. We'll work through it. Alright, so I think I'm just going to do it like that. And then I have these scripts from Simply Smith Stickers, and I'm pretty sure these are her dates too, from like leftovers from other kits. So I'm just going to put that there. And then put the little number right under it. You can hear my kids, they're still home. They do go back to work Tuesday, or back to school on Tuesday, so that'll be interesting. She was all worried that she wasn't going to be able to go to school with her dots, as she called it, so that was kind of funny. I thought they were chicken pox at first, but I haven't heard about anybody having chicken pox, like, in a while, so I don't know if that's still a thing, but like I said, they've cleared up, so all good. She's got to go to school. Put all these in here. This is why I always keep all my numbers, just in case I don't want to order date covers or anything. And then I was in the Daily Duo, so it was easier to just kind of make my own with some washi. Oh my gosh, she kills me. Okay. Let's see. That looks good. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the sidebar over here. I'm going to use this box here. So this week I only work 2 days. What the heck? Got crumbs all over. Someone's been up on my desk. Anyway, so this week I only work 2 days. So I hope to get lots of cleaning and lots of reading done. Oop, let's go down one more. If I could get it down, that'd be great. There. Perfect. And then I'm going to take this habit tracker here for my steps. Weighed in at work on the 1st. They're starting this like 3-month healthy thing. So we all put in $10, and then whoever loses the most weight gets that pot of money, plus they're going to give us, I don't know, something. Last year they did like a Fitbit watch, so that was kind of cool. And then I'm going to, what am I going to do? I don't know. Let's hold on this because I don't know if I want to use this. So last week, let's just, words are hard. Last week I put what book I was reading over here, but I don't know if I want to use just a box or if I want to use this there, but I might use that for Saturday. So hold please, we'll come back to that. Let's start with the actual planning, kind of figure out my life here. So let's do work. I think I'm going to do those 2-tone labels again for our work schedule. So I work on Monday, and then I've got 2 brown ones over here, so that'll be kind of mix them up a little bit. And my husband works this day, and then we'll do another blue one. We're actually both off on Thursday this week, so that's nice. Kids will be back to school, so maybe we'll have a little lunch date. Kind of like that. Okay, and then we'll do, sorry if you can hear her. She's just screaming, oh yeah. I'm sure if you have kids, you know about that. Yeah, they're still into it, all of them. So, school. We want to do something for school. I might take this washi here and then kind of go all the way across like that. And then, so they're off school on. Okay, not sure why that didn't record me doing any of this. I guess I should check my phone every now and then, but that's okay. So after I did the no school, we have wrestling and then my home health guy on Monday. And then Tuesday, we have cardio, drumming, HIIT, and then my healthcare guy again. Wednesday, I have dance, wrestling, and my night guy again. So that's it for this side. We'll go ahead and go to Thursday. Now I'm like checking. It's fine. So Thursday we are both off, so that's nice. And then let's do Friday, Saturday, and Sunday real quick with the work. My dog's going crazy. And then I should have, yep, one more. Okay, so I work on Friday, and then he works Saturday and Sunday. Okay, put that in there. And then, yeah, Thursday we're not doing, oh, we have school, which, okay, I used the thin washi here. Oh, wait, I think I used this one for down here for my night guy. Let me do that real quick. And then I'll take this, because this one up here is just a little bit thicker. That's on the monthly sheet. So we'll do here, and there. Okay. Put their school in. So we'll probably go out to eat or something on Thursday. And then I do have a HIIT class Thursday. So we can put that in. And why is she screaming? The rest of these in. One more. And then that's it for Thursday. Friday, I'll work, school, and then she does have her first gymnastics session. I did get her scheduled. So that's going to be at 5:35. So I'll work, and then I might go and check it out before I go see him. He doesn't mind if I'm a little late. He just doesn't like me to come after 8. So she has gymnastics, then that. Saturday, my husband works, and then I teach dance. Do I have another? Let's do one of these blue ones here. And that'll be at 8 a.m. And then we're actually taking my son, it was his birthday on the 2nd. We're taking him and a couple of his friends to this like laser tag ninja course place. So it should, she's yelling at my dog. She won't lay down when she wants her to. But anyway, so we're gonna probably be there all day. And then Sunday, we're not doing anything. Lots of cleaning. Let's do this weekend banner. I did like that down here, so I'm just gonna keep going with it. Like we did last week. That looks good. Okay, now let's see where we're at here. Let's put down some of the Fool boxes. Oh, actually, I have 2 birthdays. Where's my pin? My best friend Shanna's birthday. And then, actually, my dog's birthday. Are both on Monday. So, let's put that in here. So our little puppy is just now a year old. It's something. I've never gotten a puppy before, like a brand new puppy. So it's been an adjustment. That's crooked. But she's alright. So she's a little Cocker Spaniel. She's very cute. She had the bluest eyes when we first got her. And then she has like a brown dot on one of her pupils. It's pretty cute. But it took her forever to potty train. So that was not a fun time. But again, we've never had a dog from puppy. Okay, so since we have coffee there, let's do gingerbread here in the middle. And then maybe this one. Go a little higher. And coffee one on Wednesday. It's cute. And then Thursday, this brown one. Friday. And then Saturday, I'm going to put this one here. I'll put the place and like maybe if we go out to eat or something for his birthday. And then we'll do this one. I'm gonna put this down because I'm gonna do like a clean list. On the weekends I have off, I like to do like a deep clean on one of the days at least, and then rest on the other day. So since we're going here, I'll have to do it there. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, we wanted to do the sidebar. So let's do a to-do list. She has a to-do script here. So let's do one of these flags since we didn't get to use it. Here. And then she has some boxes on this one. I didn't get boxes on the last week, so I just made little dots. I don't want a ton. We'll do that, and then that's a lot of brown. Let's do the peach. This here, and then she has a reading script. I just started this book last week, so maybe after this week I'll be most of the way through it, so that'll be nice. Monday is trash day 2, so I do need to put that. Oh, she has garbage day. So I want to make sure I get that out, or my son does, because that's his job. So maybe I will put Daisy's birthday down a little bit, because this needs to be done in the morning. Garbage day. What else does she have? Payday is Friday. So we can do that. We all three will get paid on this Friday, so that's, well, I'll get paid by 2 of my jobs, and then he'll get paid by his. I think I'm gonna do this from that functionals. There, that'll be cute. And then we can use this day off since we're both off. Do we want to use this flag? Sure, let's try it. Looks cute. And then I want to do a cleaning. Let's do blue. Oh, I already did blue over there. What other color do we have? Let's do this dark blue then. Or do we want to do the peach? Or this brown color here? We'll do that. It's not going to be at 7:30 a.m., but it'll be early. I have this script from Simply Smith Stickers. It's my favorite script for when I'm doing my deep cleans. And then we will do these check boxes. I'll probably put 2 of them down. There. So that'll take care of that day. And I think that's actually it as far as pre-planning. Now, as the day goes on, I'll probably add stuff. This was last week, and my son went to his friend's house, so I did go ahead and add that there. I added a couple icons that I didn't see when I was doing this, and also this reading thing, I didn't even think of it until after. So I'm still filling out my steps. I need to get filled out more. And then I did want to show you back here on my notes. I'm already starting to fill in my, of course I need to keep going, but fill in my steps there. So I don't know, I think that's cool. I really like those pages there. But for this week, that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!